Conway. This is Ryan Barker and Cameron Morgan. Our project site is Jefferson Place Apartments, and it is located at 700 Downey Street, Bradford, Virginia. Our mentors are Scott Kramer and Scott Cole from Draper, Aden Associates. Jefferson Place Apartments sits on a 2.33-acre site and is zoned university residential. This zoning allows us to build apartments by right use. Our client wants 2 to 3-story apartment buildings with a 5,000 square foot building footprint. The goal in designing the site is to maximize the number of bedrooms with 4 units to a floor and 3 bedrooms to a unit. The client also wanted to maximize the green space and use LID and VMP techniques while also tying Jefferson Place Apartments into the Bradford University's campus. Maximizing the green space for the site was difficult due to the small amount of acreage of the site and the need for a very large parking lot to accommodate all of the building structures. It was a desire of the client to use the green space to further tie us into Bradford campus, which shares a parking benefit with us.
My name is Cameron Morgan. I'm going to start talking about some of the environmental features and utilities on the existing site we found during our due diligence. The soils on the site are extracted urban soils, which these are soils that have been frequently compacted and cut and filled, and they provide some interesting issues for drainage and plant growth. There are no wetlands on the property as defined by the Army Corps of Engineers, so that was a problem we didn't have to deal with. Another problem that we didn't worry about was underground storage tanks. There are none on our site that we know of, so we don't worry about leakage or contamination. For the existing utilities, there are many existing stormwater utilities on the site. There are multiple large pipes. Some are reinforced concrete and some are HDPE. There are also multiple inlets on the site to collect into these pipes, and there is a small culvert down in this portion of the site that carries much of the drainage off-site. For the existing water lines, there are 2 main water lines on site that we connected to. The first is located at the intersection of Jefferson Street and Downey Street, and it progresses along Downey Street onto the Bradford campus. The second is located at the intersection of Jefferson Street and Clement Street, and that's where we connected to for our building C. For the sanitary sewer, there was 1 main line we connected into, and that runs along the center line of Jefferson Street, and we connected all of our buildings into that line. There are also multiple dry utilities on the site. This includes fiber optic, cable TV, telephone, underground electric, among many others. So after doing all of our research, our due diligence, we came up with 2 layouts and presented to our mentors. The first one can be seen here, the second one here. We ultimately decided to go with layout 1 at the, together us and our mentors decided to go with layout 1, mainly because layout 1 provides more buildings than layout 2, which can generate more possible rooms to rent out and ultimately more revenue for the client, which is one of his major concerns. So after choosing layout 1, we went on with the detailed design upgrade of layout 1. Started out with the parking lot. The point of ingress and egress for our site is located on Downey Street, right off of Jefferson Street. Our parking lot, because of the 96 possible residents that our apartment complex can hold, the municipal codes require 116 parking spaces. Our design calls for 133 parking spaces, so there should not be problems with parking on site. Of these 133 parking spaces, 127 are standard size, while 6 meet ADA accessibility requirements. For our grading plan, the existing site had a 22 feet difference in elevation from the high point to the low point, and it also had a few very steep slopes because the existing use, which was already developed, used some terraces for the building pads and parking lots. An interesting challenging for us was that the property is completely surrounded by development, meaning that we had to tie into the existing elevation all the way around the perimeter of our site, which when doing the grading plan, that provided some interesting difficulties. After doing our grading plan, we found that the grade along the parking lot averages around 5%, except for where ADA accessibility is required, which is 2%, which is required for ADA. There are also ADA accessible slopes leading from all ADA spots to the buildings. One of the main considerations for our grading plan was stormwater management. Obviously, we had to have proper drainage away from the buildings for the first 10 feet, as well as we needed a gravity-driven stormwater management plan. So the grading plan had to be made to allow us to lay our pipes down along with the grade, and carry all of the runoff from the site into our network and off the property.
Okay, so I'm Ryan Barker. I'm going to talk to you about some stormwater management. As you can see right off the bat, our post-development is less than our pre-development. Because our site was so small, we went with the rational method, and we used some bioswales, and so that our time concentration was greater because of that. The lower post-development meant that we did not need a retention pond, but we went ahead and put one in there, and we wouldn't put one in anyway, as per request the developer, and we made it 2,700 cubic feet in size. All pipes were sized to be 15-inch RCP. We had a little over 1,000 feet of linear pipe, 9 drop inlets, and 5 drop inlets. So here's our site layout. All the water is going to drain to the top up there, and so it's all downhill from this point over. So it's all going to connect, and we have a bioswale here, up there, and then that's our retention pond. And over here is all of our drainage areas. That's what we use to size all of our pipes with. All right, so our water system. We maintained all of the necessary separations throughout the site. We had a 3-inch pipe coming off of each main, you can see in blue. And that's we have 1 3-inch pipe per building. That should be clean enough to serve everybody. And everything was kept to 4-foot minimum cover as per the Radford code. Wet power flows for buildings, A and B, we had 3,310 gallons per minute. We had to keep that for 3 hours. And for building C, we had 2,700 gallons per minute. We had to keep that for 2 hours. And the existing system, as Cameron already said, we have a 6-inch line along Downey Street, which is at the top, and then an 8-inch line along the intersection of Jefferson and Clement Street, which is at the bottom. So, and then sanitary sewer, we went ahead and used the mains for that. 96 residents, 100 gallons per day per resident, and a peak factor of 4. And we didn't have that much flow. Overall, building A and B produced 0.022 CFS, and building C produced 0.014 CFS. And so, since the flows were so small, we got away with using 6-inch PVC. And we used existing manholes as much as possible, just to keep with work less and cost less. Everybody's happy in the end.
The erosion and sediment control techniques implemented in phase 1 are to include an inlet protection for all existing stormwater inlets, a construction site up at the Downey Street entrance, diversion dikes to funnel water to the sediment trap, and a safety fence surrounding the entire perimeter of the site, lined with a silk fence on the downhill slope portion. In the phase 2, the sediment trap will be moved, will be sized open a little bit more to fit over our detention basin, and will protect the stormwater structures that will be ending there. The diversion dikes alongside Jefferson Street and the diversion dike between buildings B and C will be removed and will be replaced with the new stormwater structures to convey waters to the bioswales and the detention basins. The other dikes will remain to capture water during larger storm events and will help reduce sediment runoff on site. Outlet protection will be placed within the 2 bioswales to protect them during construction, and you also control sediment pollution. Thank you.
Any questions?
Scott? What you guys learned in the process of design, if you had to do something like this again differently, or?
Won't build in a place surrounded by developed property.
I think it's a lot.
Yeah.
I think getting appreciation for how much time goes into it. I think we were, being been told multiple times, it's a very time-consuming project, and we can't finish that to us. We would have taken the last estimate to us, but I don't think it was that hard until we really got working on it the last night around 8 p.m. and we're still putting stuff together. I think we realized it takes a lot of time. So I think definitely the time required was the big deal.
You guys do all your grading with brake lines? I guess because you couldn't do any corridors or anything. It was just a good grading plan.
It was a good job.
Yeah.
You guys had a challenge inside.